Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can remove Google Chat from Gmail. So to do so, first of all, go to Gmail. Go to the three-line button on your left corner over here. And now, go to Settings. Now you can see this option right below Account, Apps in Gmail. And there you can find Chat. Tap on it. And now you can see all these options: Chat, Smart Compose, Manage, Block Spaces in Chats. So now, to remove Google Chat from Gmail, you just need to turn off this button over here. So as you can see, there is no chat over here. So you've successfully removed Google Chat from your Gmail. That's how you remove Google Chat from Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please like. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time.